meteorologist John Robinson.
Well, severe thunderstorms in eastern New Mexico beginning to edge their way into the western South Plains. There is a thunderstorm watch in effect till 10 o'clock tonight in all areas west of Lubbock and Plainview and even the Tahoka area, but it begins from La Mesa back into eastern New Mexico, extends all the way up to Dimmitt, the Panhandle, and the Clovis area. And you see widespread scattered thunderstorms there, and some of those are severe with potential up to ping-pong-sized hail. We've had activity scattered from west of Clovis down around the areas of Roosevelt County, some activity near Tatum, and now a strong thunderstorm near Hobbs. And it looks like this storm has lost a little bit of its punch. It did have the potential to at least golf ball size hail or larger. It is moving rapidly north and a little bit northeast at about 40 to 45 miles an hour. Could produce some wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Then there's another thunderstorm southwest of Lovington. Looks like hail size maybe a little larger there. I might estimate ping pong size with that one, but that's what we're going to find with these thunderstorms through the evening. Pockets of some large hail, very heavy rainfall, and winds may gust up to 60 to 70, maybe even 80 miles an hour. The tornado warning has been canceled for the Roosevelt area, but still a thunderstorm warning there south of Elida. This entire cluster, as you can see, is moving generally northeast. May build a little bit east into Bailey County, Cochran County. Not a threat right now. You see more of a north-northeast movement with some of those storms, heavy rainfall and gusty winds. Nothing around Lubbock or Plainview, just that activity west of Morton, activity just to the west-southwest of Plains and Denver City, and west-southwest of Seminole, so we'll continue to update you on that. As far as what those storm threats look like, our threat tracker indicates, fortunately, potential for tornadoes low with our atmosphere this evening, but large hail is a possibility, at least for a brief period of time. High winds will definitely be a possibility with any of the storms, up to 60 miles an hour or more, especially with the severe thunderstorms, obviously. Heavy rainfall is likely across all of the South Plains. Flood watch has been in effect, so it's 4 o'clock tonight through tomorrow morning. And here's the reason, and it's because of those storms as they move into the western areas, spread over most of the South Plains, and maybe primarily southwest, central, and northern areas. That'll continue, and there's a secondary area of rain that will begin to move in, not severe, in the early morning hours after the storms tonight have moved out. So you're looking for storms anywhere from 3 to maybe 7 a.m., may even be some showers as late as noon. Then thunderstorms will fire up on an isolated basis again tomorrow afternoon. Some could be severe with some large hail, heavy rainfall, and the high winds. That's our pattern going into the weekend overall. Looking for lows still in the 50s northwest, mid-60s to upper 60s eastern areas, anywhere from 59 in Morton, 62 in Seminole. And your afternoon highs tomorrow, some 70s western areas where I expect cloud cover to kind of hold things down, and maybe even Lubbock, Tahoka at about 80, Brownfield 80, mid-80s southwest, and then some mid and upper 80s for the southeastern South Plains in general. 7-day forecast showing nighttime lows in the 60s the next couple of mornings. The lows will drop a little bit into the weekend. Rain chances really stay well with us all the way through the weekend and the next week. Severe possible Thursday afternoon and Friday again, and possibly Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even Tuesday and Wednesday, although there's some trends there, Christy, in case that rain